All-in-one processing, the ultimate steel solution. Master of steel structure processing. U-Series hybrid laser cutting machine. As a true master of the steel structure industry, U-Series hybrid laser cutting machine can process profiles, tubes, and metal sheets with ease. The standard version features a 28-meter bed frame. You can configure multiple processing stations based on your specific cutting needs. U10 can process profiles up to 1.5 meters wide and 0.6 meters high, with a maximum cutting thickness of up to 90 millimeters. It is also compatible with Tekla software for rapid drawing ungrouping. Whether you're cutting standard or special-shaped profiles, it provides one-stop processing for perforation, beveling, notching, marking, and cutting. The intelligent deviation correction and positioning allows real-time measurement of the profile's position and dimensions, enabling the laser head to automatically adjust the cutting path. Even if the profile becomes deformed, or its position shifts during loading, it still ensures precise cutting. U10 is capable of anything in profile cutting. If you also receive metal sheet processing orders, there's no need to change another machine. Simply configuring the appropriate sized blade work table, U10 can instantly transform into a highly efficient metal sheet laser cutting machine. It excels at perforation, vertical cutting, and bevel cutting. Similarly, if you want to cut round or square tubes, you only need to configure the corresponding tube processing device. It can then perform perforation, cutting, bevel cutting, and intersection line cutting. The cutting diameter for round tubes ranges from 100 to 1,200 millimeters, while the side length for square tubes ranges from 200 to 850 millimeters. Generally, with this one machine, you essentially have a profile cutting machine, a tube cutting machine, and a metal sheet cutting machine all in one. You'll effortlessly save the cost of purchasing 2 additional machines. In addition, its multi-station design enables you to perform hybrid processing of various metal materials. For instance, while steel profiles are being cut in the processing area, pre-cut tubes can be unloaded at the same time, and metal sheets can be prepared for loading simultaneously. This will significantly reduce your time and labor costs, leading to a substantial boost in production efficiency. Save time, effort, and money. All materials, all in one, all powerful. Our U-Series hybrid laser cutting machine is the top choice for steel structure processing. One machine, multiple functions, universal processing. The top choice for steel structure processing. U-Series hybrid laser cutting machine.
Bodor, dare to dream.